All right, I admit it. This is pretty cool. It's amazing. He's amazing. That's for everything else. You really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
We're gonna beat this. I promise you, Astrid. You just have to keep fighting and hold on. You need to stay with us. I can't imagine a world without you in it. Don't apologize. The truth is, obviously, I'm glad you're here. Look, obviously, I can't even imagine what this must be like for you. You're Astrid. You're strong and invincible. Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this? Astrid, you have me, no matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always. You sure you're feeling okay?
I'm fine, Hiccup. You can stop worrying about me now.
Well, I never stop worrying about you. That's just the way it is.
Did you seriously think I'd leave here with just a handshake?
Well, as long as we're staying, what do you say we take a moonlit flight?
Thought you'd never ask.
Huh? Finally, some alone time.
No distractions, no interruptions.
It's gonna take something we've never thought of to get around that.
But you'll come up with it.
Thank you. How do you know that?
Because Hiccup Haddock is the wisest, most talented, and brave dragon trainer on Earth. And he always comes up with it.
Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have been. And I hope you always will be. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You. You just being here with me is the only gift I need. I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have. And I always will.
Kind of. I'm proud. And where you go, I go.
Thank you for everything.
Your dad would be so proud of you right now. I know I am.
You're the pride of Berk, son, and I couldn't be prouder.
Ah, thanks, Dad. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too.
When have I ever done that with my hands?
You just did.
I hold still.
Very serious.
See? I told you it was in here.
You're still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you.
I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. So, what are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
That's the Hiccup I know. Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, it's just all this talk of dragons kind of makes me miss them. It's hard at the holidays, you know? Wonder if Toothless ever misses me. You were right. It was exactly what everyone needed. For the kids, and for the memory of my father.
Oh.
And then it hit me. Our loved ones are always nearby, when we hold them in our hearts.